Good afternoon. I am Milind Kumar Desai from Reliance Industries Limited. It is a state-of-the-art petrochemical company located at Gujarat. It is a western region of India, and since its commissioning in 1991, its capacity expanded to over 6.2 million metric tons per year. At Reliance, we have over 200,000 assets, and those assets we are following a very robust reliability maintenance program. And for this, we follow asset criticality analysis, risk-based inspection, risk-driven approach for categorizing our equipments in vital, essential, desirable, and applying the different strategies for all these different categories of the equipment. And that finally helps us in minimizing the downtime and optimize the life cycle and improve the performance by improved reliability. For the companies, if they don't follow any analysis driven by risk, it will be difficult for them to categorize where the equipment that needs more focus. You will be investing a lot of stuff, doing a lot of energy for the equipment which is not having more risk. So your approach should be risk driven. Reliance Industries Limited, Hazira Manufacturing Division is continuously striving for an excellence. So we have applied for the Uptime and we have finally won it, feeling proud and privileged to receive this award. With Uptime Award, we wanted to benchmark the global set standards, and it further motivates us to continuously improve, because as you know that race ends where it starts. So it will be a new beginning, and we'll strive for the excellence and continuously deliver on the reliability front. I want to thank the Uptime Award, the Uptime Committee, and back my team who has continuously worked for this, given a lot of efforts, and the senior management who has supported us and motivated us to work for this.